right over here is an FCI pull station. Over here we have a System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced speaker strobe on the wall. It's by this piano over here. Let me just... Right over here we have a Gamewell BG12 pull station. Right up here in the hotel room there's a speaker. I think it's connected to the voice evacuation system if I'm correct, I'm not sure. Probably is. Over here we have the System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced. Up here on the ceiling we have, I think, a speaker. Oh, what just went over here? Right up on the ceiling we have this unknown fire alarm strobe. I don't know what it is. Also, it's a really old System Sensor smoke detector. And folks, here's another one of those unknown strobes. I don't know the model name. But I do know up here, there's a System Sensor L series. I think this is an L series. And that Firelight smoke detector too. I'm not gonna touch the smoke detector. Up on the ceiling, I think this is a System Sensor L series. I'm only judging by the speaker grill. And there's a Firelight smoke detector. And out over here, there is a, I don't know what this strobe is. Also the FCI, but I already had a look at that.